In this guide, I will show you how to get a refund in Fortnite for purchases made with V-Bucks, including character skins, emotes, and other items, shop, cosmetics. This works directly inside the game, so let's jump right in. First, open Fortnite on your device and press the Start or Option button on your controller, or press Escape if you are playing on keyboard. Once the menu opens, look at the right hand sidebar. Scroll down, move over, and select Support and Refund. On the next screen, scroll down and choose Return or Cancel Purchase. Here you will see a list of items you are eligible to refund. Keep in mind, not all purchases qualify, and Fortnite has specific rules you must meet. So if an item appears in this list, that must means it's eligible for a refund. Select the item you want to refund. In this example, I'm choosing this one here. Now press and hold the confirm button to process the return. Once completed, your VBuck will be added back to your Fortnite account. After you select OK, you will be taken back to the refund information page. I highly recommend reading everything on this screen so you fully understand how Fortnite refund system works. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.